ultimately, sir, I can't force anyone to take a vaccine. We can't hold people down and put a needle in their arm. We can, as a society, collectively, and certainly as government, as policymakers, or as leaders at the level of the firm, institute programs around encouraging, motivating, showing the value to personal life and to freedom of movement, to taking the vaccines. And I think we have to continue to do that. I suspect that as time progresses, you will see a further evolution of the policies, where there will be more focus on vaccination or testing, and that will, I believe, be more a common approach across the board. You would have seen some issues in the courts recently and some positions taken by the courts, which I believe is encouraging for the vaccination program. And I know that the government, under the leadership of the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness, has been deliberating on other options with the advice and support of public health. And so in the new year, I believe we will see further adjustments as we go along. These are not decisions that are left up to the Ministry of Health or myself. It would have to be collective at the level of cabinet. I know we are concerned as a government, and we will take whatever action further that is necessary. But the idea of sort of forcing persons to take the vaccines, I mean, I don't know how practical that is. I think persons need to come to terms with the need to take the vaccines, and to the extent that not taking it makes them a greater risk to others, whether in their work environment or otherwise, I think we need to ensure that we recognize and play that up more and support policies around that to give better protection for those who have taken the time to get vaccinated.